In order to install Angular CLI, you need to have Node.js and npm installed first. Open up your browser, and go to nodejs.org. Click on Downloads, then Windows Installer. This will download it. Install it. Press Win+R, type in CMD and press OK. To check that Node.js installed correctly, type in Node-v, and press Enter. This shows the installed version. Type npm-v to check for npm presence. Now, to install Angular CLI, type npm install-g, space, at Angular/CLI, and press Enter. This will download and install Angular. Wait for it to finish. Type N, and press Enter. To check that Angular CLI is installed, type ng version. All done. Please subscribe.